Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. If you are new here, my name is Paige Sechler. I'm happy to have you. That's Ezra, my mom's dog. So today's video is a fun one. I don't think it's going to be too long, but I want to go over some of my summer favorites. So it is like mid-July right now. I'm not sure when I'm like uploading this video. So we are like well into summer here in PA. And I'm loving it. This is one of the nicest summers we've had here in what feels like forever. So I'm just soaking up the sun and I'm living it out this summer. So with it being said, I definitely have some like summer favorites, some summer staples, some summer essentials. You can see that's why it's a little messy back here. I'm working on just like being myself on my channel and not worrying about like making sure everything's perfect. So this is what we're looking at in this video. Okay. We're going to just do some basic favorites first, and we're going to start with this JBL speaker with like the clip thing. Obsessed with this. I originally got it for my photography business to hang on like our camera bag. That way when we're doing like shoots, when we're out like walking and hiking and stuff with our clients, it's not like awkwardly quiet and we're not just like huffing and puffing, you know? So that's what this was for. That's why I went ahead the clip. Okay, didn't think much of it. This quickly became the most used item pretty much in our entire house. So we do keep Kugels in our house. So we just be like, hey, blah, 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 like play this, that. Okay, that's cool and all, but like this hangs on like our hammock carabiners, this hangs on our fishing bag, this hangs on my pool bag, this hangs on my water bottle. Like we take this thing everywhere. Like we don't go on a single trip. We don't go on it hangs in our buggy on like our side-by-side, like hangs in there, jams out, like, and this baby gets loud, the charge lasts long, it's easy to connect to your phone. Like this is incredible. 10 out of 10 would recommend this. They come in all different colors, like you know me, like I'm a neutrals kind of gal. Love her. While we're on the topic of it, let's go water bottle. This is my most used water bottle in the entire world. I have a pink one that has a black top, and this is like their new pattern. Oh, like, are you kidding me? White cheetah print. Are you, like, perfect. My favorite. Okay, sorry, I have like something like actually in my eye. I think it's a dog hair if I had to guess, but whatever. So anyway, this is the brand Simply Modern. Got this guy. Oh, also, I got this on Amazon. Also, so they sell Simply Modern on Amazon. However, I ordered this one directly from their website because this is like their, oh, this actually isn't supposed to be on here either. But this I couldn't find on Amazon because it was like a new pattern and like they were selling out fast. So I did order this from the Simply Modern website, but typically you can find Simply Modern on Amazon. I think they actually also have bottles at Target, and I think they started having them at Walmart too. So anything from Simply Modern I would recommend. I've got 2 of like their regular like straw cups, 2 of these. It just literally, I think it's better than Yeti personally, but love it. It's my security bottle, you know, I can just carry her everywhere. All right, let's talk sunnies. I am irresponsible when it comes to my sunglasses. So I've come to learn very quickly that I'm not the type of person to spend a couple $100s on a pair of sunglasses. I ordered the Way or Quay or whatever it is sunglasses, 2 pairs of them. One pair flew out the window, and the other pair dropped and completely shattered a lens. So that was a waste of like $75 a piece. Won't ever be doing that again, literally ever. We'll never do that. So I found, well, on the topic of that, a dupe. I'm like an aviator style girl. Always have been. I love the other styles, but like they're just not me. So I like a nice, these are so dirty from the pool today. These are like a nice oversized fit, but they're like the perfect Way, Quay, I don't know how to say it, dupe. Like they have that like fade down through. Incredible. $12 on Amazon. Like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? So this is actually my third time ordering this exact pair of sunglasses. I lost a pair in the buggy. I scratched a pair in the buggy, like in the glove box of our buggy. Then I scratched another pair in the buggy. And now I have these. So No, wait. Yeah. This is my 4th pair of these. And then I'll show you these 2. These ones are new. These are the same brand, by the way. Also from Amazon, 12 bucks, I think, maybe 13. So they're a little bit of a different style than what I usually go for. They're a little more like squared off up here, but I like them. I think I don't wear them as often. These are my like I'm actually like done. Like I've got like some kind of like denim and like a cute top, because 9 out of 10 times I'm in some kind of like athleisure. It's just what I live in. And if I'm at work, I wear these like to work, but I'm not like going out and about. But I love these. So the brand is Soho's. Like I think it's like S-O-J-O, I think is how it goes. I have quite a few pair of their sunglasses. These are my favorites. These are my most worn this summer. I would recommend all of their glasses. I also have a pair of blue light glasses from them for like when I'm editing. Love those also. I would recommend. They're great quality and they're even better for the price. Alright, so while we're kind of like leading into like fashion with those glasses, let's talk my favorite top of summer. And it would be this one that I have on right here. You can see it on. I also have a white one and I have a purple like mauve-y neutral one in the wash. Obsessed. Like, okay, like I'm not a skinny girl, but I'm not like thick, but I'm like, I'm not skinny and I can do this. There's a built-in bra, so I don't even have to wear a bra with it. Like the girls look great. I feel supported. It's cute in the back. It's amazing. The bra in it like looks like kind of weird, so like, you know, it's on, and then like it just has like the padding like in there, you know, so you don't even have to worry about it. It's compressed, like you can run in it. We go riding, we go hiking, like we do everything. This is my favorite top of summer. I even like the white one. Like I'll like pair it. I typically only wear the black with like athletics. It looks great with like high-waisted leggings, with so many things. But like the white and the other one I will wear with denim shorts. Like you could dress it up or dress it down, and that's what I love. And you don't have to wear a bra. You don't have to wear a bra with it. It's great. It's the best thing ever. So this goes on Amazon. It is the brand, couldn't tell you, but I'll link it on my Amazon storefront, because I don't know what the brand is, because apparently I ripped the tag off. But I ordered it in a size large, just for reference. I looked at like the size chart and it goes off of like your bust size and stuff, and so got me a large. When I'm wearing with shorts, like these are high-waisted gym shorts. This is what we're gonna talk about next, is these high-waisted gym shorts. It's been like all the rave, like all these new boutiques are carrying them and stuff, and I don't like the ones that look too like chunky and like awkward. I don't know, but I also like a regular gym short like leaves too much room here for me personally to wear like a cropped tank like this. So I have been ordering these from Amazon. This is the brand. Okay, why do I rip the tags off of everything? You know, I'll also leave these linked in my Amazon storefront. I don't know. I know, so the top I ordered a large. These are a medium. These are a large. The large in these shorts are a little too big for me. They just look like weird. I'll still wear them, but they're just a little looser. They're a little baggier. What am I trying to do? Ah, here we go. So you can see the detail a little more on these than you can the black, and they have a zipper pocket. They do have built-in underwear, which again is another like, I don't say a must for me, but like I just like them even better because I don't have to worry about wearing underwear. So 110% would recommend these gym shorts to anybody. Like they're so good. They're so good. All right, so sticking on the topic of athletic wear, I got this fanny pack from Amazon also. It's like the perfect Lulu dupe. Don't come for me for how I'm about to put this on. I like to wear it like this. I'm not one of those like, I can be that person, but I'm not that person. But like, tell me that's not a vibe. So I wear this like when we are doing photo shoots. This is my go-to because it keeps my batteries, my chargers. Hello? So super cute for that. It's good for when we go on walks. We can keep things in. It's just so cute, but it's like the perfect Lulu's dupe. Like and I think it was only like 12 bucks or something. What a steal. We'll also leave that linked because I don't know what brand this is either. This brand is, yeah, I'll leave it linked. I don't know how to pronounce it.
I'll make a pop in.
I showered already.
I know you smell good.
I didn't wash my hair.
We used to smell good.
No, it doesn't smell like stinky sweating. Well, don't pick me up. Don't pick me up. Okay, sorry about that intermission. My hubby came home. So, what else do I have? Okay, I've got 2 more dog things and 2 more like shoes. So let's do shoes first. Okay, these guys right here are my most worn shoe of summer. My family, my clients, literally everybody will attest that I wear these probably more than I should, but they're so good. I got these from Walmart and they were like $15 and they're perfect. So they're like, have like a little bit of like that platform. They're the most comfortable shoes ever. They get wet, they get muddy, you just rinse them off and they're good to go. I wear these everywhere, every day of summer. These are the shoes I'm wearing. They also have them in like different colors, but I didn't want plain white, so I like the little like dots on them. I don't know, I think they're cute. These babies, these have my new heart. These are the, I don't actually even know what the style is, but they were like the Vans like limited edition. I like hunted these guys down to get a hold of them, but they're literally perfect. Like, are you kidding me? New summer favorite. Like, I wear sandals most of summer, but if for any reason I need to put a closed-toed shoe on, this is what I'm going for. Probably for the rest of my life. Last 2 things are dog items. If you are new to my channel and you don't know, I do have 2 dogs. I'm dog sitting, so if you see a 3rd one, that one isn't mine. That one's mine. The big one's mine. But I have 2 dogs. I have a golden doodle and a mini Aussie doodle, so they do vary in size. But they're my babies, and so a lot of my summer revolves around them. So with that being said, my 2 summer favorites for my girls are this portable water bowl. This was such a good little find. I think we got this at Petco or PetSmart. I can't remember which one. Hey, can you get out? Did you get out of here with that? Here, take your phone. Get out of here. But it just clips onto like the fanny pack when we go on a walk, onto a backpack if we're going on a hike, literally anything, or even their leashes, you know. It's just nice to have this, especially when it's hot in the summer, so that way they're able to stay hydrated. Would recommend a portable water bowl. Hi buddy, why do you keep coming in here? And then the last thing is their new harnesses, which my sister showed me about these. But like, look how cute that is. And they have matching collars, but they're actually kind of reversible. Like this side's clouds, but Lux and Lola both have matching ones. So these are definitely my new favorite harnesses that they've had. They do really well. They're breathable. They're comfortable for the girls. Love. Okay, so guys, that is all for this video. That was, like I said, kind of a bunch of random things, but they're all like my most used summer favorites. So I will leave as much linked down below as I can. A lot of it's from Amazon, so I'll have it all in my Amazon storefront. So if you want to shop anything, that's where you can find it. Other than that, I think we are good for today. So have a good rest of your day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!